Good morning, children. Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also very fine. So now today we are again going to discuss some problems based on called equation, and this time the type will be work and time. Okay, we'll solve some questions based on this. Okay, so let us see some questions. So I write one question here. Okay, I write one question here, and then we'll solve that question. See this. Question is two pipes running together can fill a tank. Two pipes are there. They can fill a tank in 3:1 by 13 hours. Okay. They are saying that if one tap takes 3 hours more than the other to fill the tank. Okay, the same tank, two taps are filling. One tap taking some time, second tap is also taking some time. The second tap is taking 3 hours more. That means it is slowly. The second tap is slowly filling the tank there. Okay, so you fill the tank, then find the time. Find the time in which each pipe would fill the tank separately. Okay, together they can fill in this much hour. We have to find if they are to fill individually, then how much time will they take here. Okay, so now let us see. So from this equation it is clear. So now I raise this question here because I have to explain this. So I am erasing this question. Now you have read this question. One thing from the question it is clear. Second pipe is a slower pipe. It is taking 3 hours more. That means it is slowly filling the tank. First one is the fast pipe. Okay. So now conclusion has come, which is fast and which is slow. So we can now easily do this. In this type of question, first of all, what we have to find here, that let the faster pipe takes XR to fill the tank. Okay, this is the first faster pipe. Then slower pipe will take how much time? Tap or pipe, whatever you say. The other pipe is taking 3 hours more. That means X plus 3 hours. Okay. Now together they can fill how much time they are taking here? 13:1 by what is written there? 3:1 by 13 hour. That means 40 by 13 hours. Okay, this is the detail we have got. So first of all, in this type of questions we have to find in 1 hour how much part will be filled here. So that is in this much hour one part is filled, that is the tank. Hence we can say that in 1 hours 13 by 40 part will be filled. Okay, it is clear from here. Similarly now, if we are taking these pipes, so we'll find there 1 minute work. This is the 1 minute work when they are working together. So we can write here that in 1 hour, first pipe will fill 1 by x part, second pipe that will fill 1 by x plus 3 part, and together in 1 hour they will fill 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 part. Clear? Together they are filling this in 1 by x hour first part, second part is 1 by x plus 3 hours. And what was that first together? They were filling in that 13 by 40 hours. Now solve it only. It will become x into x plus 3, upside will be x plus 3 is equal to 13 by 40 here. Now it's a simple calculation only, so I am doing this here. Let me remember this last step here, x plus x, 2x plus 3, so it is 2x plus 3 into 40 is equal to 13 into, this side is x square plus 3x. Okay, now I think you are getting what we are going to do here. So this will become, how much this one is, 80x plus 120, 13x square plus 39x, that means 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120 is equal to 0 here. Okay, that means this will become here, how much, 13x square plus 39x minus 80x, that is minus 41x minus 120 is equal to 0 only. Okay, so now how it can be solved? 12 3s are 1560, 1560 it is. Okay, that means what it can be, 13 into 120, 1560, so it will become how much? Okay, we'll do this with a quadratic equation. Okay, we'll solve this with a quadratic equation. So our x will become how much? This will become minus b, that means minus 41 plus minus under root b square minus 4 into 13 into 120, na? Yes, 120 by 2 into a, that is 13. So x is equal to 41 plus under root, this is there 1681, and this one how much it is here, minus 120, that means minus minus plus, so this will become 6240 divided by 26. Okay, see, calculations will be lengthy, we have to be patientful only, so don't lose your patience here. So now x is equal to this much only. Okay, so now finally we are getting our answer, and our answer is x is equal to 41 plus minus, together when they will be added, this sum is 89 by 26. So minus is not possible here, so x is equal to 41 plus 89 by 26, so that is, when it will be added together, it will become 130 by 26, so it is 5 hours. Okay, and that one, second one is x plus 3, so that is 5 plus 3 hours, so it is 8 hours. Okay, so this is what we have to do in such type of questions there. Okay, this was based on the work and time. Now some more questions we can discuss here. Okay, so see what is that questions are here. I take one question here. That question belongs to question number, I raise this one, very good. I hope you might have understood this. One question, let me write. The sum of area, question is that it is based on area. The sum of area of 2 square is 640 meter square, and difference in their perimeter is 64 meter. Find the sides of square. So now read this question. I'm just going to solve this question here. So see, they are saying here that there are two squares. Okay, their sides will be different also. So solution will take first that let side of first square is equal to, suppose, a meter. Okay, then what is the side of second square? Side of second square is equal to, suppose, b meter. Okay, then what they are saying actually here, they are saying that difference in their perimeter. Okay, that means according to questionnaire, 4a minus 4b. Okay, 4a minus 4b, that is this one here. 4b, that is the difference in diameter. How it is given here is 64. That means you can say here a minus b is equal to 16. Equation number 1. We have got our equation number 1. A minus b is equal to 16. Now let us see. Found this? So now see here. What is the second equation? The second is saying that a square plus b square is equal to 640. What is b? From here we can write here a minus 16, that is equal to b. From here we can say b is equal to, b will go that side, then a minus 16. So I can write here a square plus, in place of b, a minus 16 whole square is equal to 640. Okay, so now I can erase this one also. So this will become here a square plus 256 minus 32a is equal to 640, or you may say minus 640 is equal to 0. Okay, now what is that? It is becoming now how much? It is 2a square. Okay, minus 32a plus 256 minus 640, that means it is equal to minus 384 is equal to 0. 2 is common here, so we can write here a square minus 16a minus, this is 192 is equal to 0. So it is a square minus 24a plus 8a minus 192 is equal to 0. Okay, so a is common here, a minus 24, 8 is common here, a minus 24 is equal to 0. So we can say here a plus 8 into a minus 24 is equal to 0. So a plus 8 is equal to 0 and a minus 24 is equal to 0. We have found this. So now see what will happen here when you found a minus 24. So a plus 8 is equal to 0. That means a is equal to minus 8. Not possible. It's not possible only. Then what is possible? Possible is that second one. A minus 24 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 24. A is equal to 24. And then what is b? What is b here? So b is equal to, from that equation, b was a minus 16. So 24 minus 16, that is 8 meter. That is the answer. And this is how we solve the problems here. Okay class, I hope you would have understood the types here that we are discussing here, and you will find no problem in solving these questions here. Okay, this last line is not the answer part. Up to this only is the answer here. So this is for today. Take care, and next class we'll learn something new. Thank you students. Thank you very much.